Imagine this. The world falls silent. The wind stops. The oceans pause mid-wave. And for one terrifying day, the Earth stops spinning. What happens next would change life on this planet forever. Earth's constant rotation is so seamless, so dependable that we hardly notice it. Every sunrise, every sunset, every cycle of day and night, all of it depends on one thing, the planet's steady spin. But what if, for just 24 hours, that motion came to a complete halt? The Earth spins at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. That rotation is what gives us day and night. It drives weather systems. It stabilizes the oceans. It keeps our world balanced. Without it, the rules of our planet collapse. The moment the spin stops, momentum takes over. Everything not anchored to solid ground will continue moving at that incredible speed. Cars, buildings, even entire oceans will be hurled eastward. The result? Unimaginable destruction. Cities reduced to rubble. Coastlines erased. The atmosphere itself would not stop with the Earth. Winds faster than any hurricane would scour the planet's surface. Forests flattened. Mountains eroded in hours. And then the oceans, vast walls of water would surge across continents, drowning entire regions. Coastal cities gone. Entire countries swept away. As the chaos unfolds, the planet plunges into an unnatural standstill. One side of Earth locked in endless daylight, the other trapped in eternal night. Temperatures would spike under the unrelenting sun, while the dark side freezes beneath the stars. Crops fail. Ecosystems collapse. The chain reaction of extinction begins. Our planet has never stopped spinning, but the violent forces we describe aren't fiction. They mirror the scars of history. Ancient superstorms that reshape coastlines. Asteroid impacts that ended the age of dinosaurs. Volcanic eruptions that dim the sun and starve civilizations. Yet all those pale compared to the violence of a world that suddenly forgets how to turn if, after one day, Earth resumed spinning, the damage would not be undone. Continents would look different. Oceans displaced. Millions, perhaps billions, of lives lost. Civilization as we know it would shatter. But even more terrifying is the possibility of instability. If Earth could stop once, what would stop it from happening again? The spinning of Earth is invisible, quiet, easy to ignore, but it is the heartbeat of our world, a delicate rhythm that keeps the chaos of the cosmos at bay. If it stopped, even for one day, we would learn how fragile life truly is, how dependent we are on the silent forces we never see. And so we're left to wonder, if one day without rotation could end everything, what other unseen balances hold our survival in place? What if the sun itself stopped shining?